ASC-AP Software Tutorials. How to create print and cut jobs in CorelDRAW. Your GCC ASC-350 series machine comes with a CameraCut Pro serial number. Download and install CameraCut Pro and plugins from the GCC website to get started with the print cut workflow. Create or open your artwork in CorelDRAW. Click the Add Mark button to print the artwork on the media. Select Create in the Add Mark window. Click the Print button to print the artwork on the media. Place the printed media on the ASC-350 media tray. Click the Create Contour icon in the CameraCut plugin. Adjust the trace and contour settings to generate a contour line. Select the artwork in CorelDRAW. Click the Cut Contour icon in the CameraCut plugin. Select the connection, and then click the Send button to start the cutting job. The workflow is complete.